Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's video, we will be focusing on the mobile experience in HRST and how employees and HR teams can effectively manage HR services from their mobile devices. With today's workforce becoming more mobile, providing seamless HR services on smartphones and tablets has become essential. The ServiceNow mobile app ensures that HR teams and employees can access HR services, submit requests, track cases, and approve workflows all on the go. In this video, we will cover an overview of ServiceNow mobile app and its benefits for HRSD, key mobile functionalities that enhance HR service delivery, how to configure HRSD for mobile use, real-world mobile HR use cases, best practices for smooth mobile HRSD experience. So let's get started. Introduction to ServiceNow Mobile. The ServiceNow mobile app brings HR services directly to employees and HR teams, enabling them to manage HR requests anytime, anywhere. Whether an employee wants to submit a leave request or an HR manager needs to approve an onboarding task, the mobile app ensures HR services are always accessible. Then benefits of HRST on mobile devices. Integrating HRST with mobile offers numerous advantages such as increased accessibilities, faster approval, instant notification, and enhanced productivity. Then key HRST mobile functionalities. The ServiceNow mobile app provides several powerful HRST features, including HR case submission. Employees can report issues or request report directly from their mobile devices. Then lifecycle event management. Managers can review, approve, or assign HR events quickly. Then HR knowledge base access. Employees can search for policies, FAQs, and guides anytime, reducing HR queries. Then live HR notification. Real-time alerts keep employees updated on the case progress and approvals. Now that we understand the benefits, let's see the HRST is configured for mobile access. Configuring HRST for mobile. Enabling HRST on mobile apps. To use HRST on mobile, admins need to enable mobile capabilities within the ServiceNow. That involves activating HRST features in the ServiceNow mobile app, configuring user roles for mobile access, ensuring that HR services are optimized for mobile usability, designing mobile friendly forms. Since mobile screens are smaller than desktop, HR forms should be simplified with essential fields only, easy to fill, use drop downs, buttons, and quick inputs fields, optimized for quick case submission. The goal is to make HR interactions as simple and intuitive as possible on mobile. Adding HR notification to mobile devices. HR notification on mobile keep employee engaged and updated. HR teams can send push notifications for case updates and approvals, notify employees about HR policies changes, trigger alerts for critical HR workflows. This ensures that important HR actions are never missed. Then managing mobile user roles. To control access, admins can assign specific HRST permissions to mobile user, restrict certain HR functions to managers and HR teams, ensures only relevant employees can view or submit HR requests. This helps maintain security while providing the right level of access. Then mobile use cases in HRST. Submitting HR case via mobile. Employees can log HR request from their mobile app, whether they need help with payroll, leave request, or policy clarification. Then approving lifecycle events on the go. HR managers and team leads can review and approve important life cycle events like promotions, role changes, and offboarding requests without waiting to access desktop. Then accessing HR knowledge articles. Instead of reaching out to HR for every question, employees can search the HR knowledge base from their mobile app and get instant answer. Then monitoring HR case status from mobile. HR teams and employees can track case progress in real time, ensuring that they stay updated and on resolutions, approvals, and escalations. Best practices for mobile HRSD. Ensuring a responsive design. A well-designed mobile HRSD portal should be easy to navigate on different screen sizes, fast loading with minimal delays, optimized for text-based interaction. Then simplifying mobile workflows. Avoid complex workflows on mobile. Keep interaction short and simple, ensuring that forms have minimal input fields, workflows have clear and quick steps. Employees can complete tasks in a few taps. Then improving employee adoption. For successful mobile HRSD adoption, educate employees on how to use the mobile app, provide training sessions and guides, offer in-app tips and walkthroughs. Then monitoring mobile performance. HR teams should regularly monitor app performance and speed, employee engagement rates, and user feedback to enhance usability. The ServiceNow mobile experience for the HRSD is the power tool that enables employee and HR teams to stay connected, improve efficiency, and enhance HR service delivery, all from their mobile devices. By optimizing HRSD for mobile, organizations can empower employees, reduce HR bottlenecks, and create a seamless self-service experience. Thank you for watching this video on HRSD mobile experience. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing ServiceNow HRSD for your organization. Thank you.